Hello, I'm going to teach you how to run original NES games on your JTAG'D Xbox 360. So to begin with, we're going to need to go into the xbins file repository, which essentially holds every single Xbox 360 and Xbox One hacking file you'll ever need. Now, you can hop in through IRC, which is the normal way to do it, which is listed here. However, I'm going to take a shortcut for this video and use AutoXbins 2008 made by Ground Zero. So I'll just run it. It'll load up. It is an FTP program by itself. Dang it. Sometimes it takes a couple tries before it'll get in. So I just gotta wait. Okay, now it's in. Alright, so to begin with, we're going to have to go get the program called Medanafenx version 15. This is an original Xbox emulator for the NES, and it is located here. So let's follow it. Xbox One, console-based applications, apps, emulators, let's see, NES, Medanafenx, and here it is, version 15. You have to get version 15 or higher or it's not going to work with your Xbox 360. It's been updated for this purpose. So drag it to the desktop. You need to wait a bit, and I will also be going, I'll just wait for this to finish. You can see it's saved to my desktop right here. The other application we're going to get is called QuickBoot. QuickBoot 2.1. Again, you're going to need 2.1 or higher because that's the only one that works with Xbox One files. It is located at this link, or if you can't find it, simply use Google. You can find anything with Google. So I'm going to click this link and download it, which is right here. Okay, great. Got QuickBoot. And Medanafenx. Okay, we're also going to need another program called the Venomous Fire Compatibility Pack. So Venomous Fire. This is an emulator program for the Xbox One that runs on the Xbox 360. It was originally designed because Microsoft only supported 200-something games. However, this supports all of them. So actually you would go to this link and you would download it. However, it takes a while, so I'm just going to use the one that I already have. Let's see, where did I put it? Alright, great. Okay, in here there's a single, this is the Venomous Fire Compatibility Pack extracted, and there's just a single folder called Compatibility. So I'm going to FTP into my Xbox 360. Oops, wrong address. Okay, great. So you're going to go to hdd1, which is Partition 2 if you're doing it the hard way. Here's your compatibility folder. Simply, come on. Drag the compatibility folder on top of this, transfer it, and I have it set to auto-write over everything. So if you get a warning to overwrite it all, just hit yes. It's going to do its thing. Okay, great. That's on there. And you're also going to need to get some ROMs. So I've got a million ROMs on here. So for NES, let's see, let's just pick pretty big. Super Mario Brothers 2, 3, and whatever. That's enough. That's all you need to see. So check these out. Okay, I'm also going to extract Medanafenx right now, which is right here. I'm going to make a little folder for it. Okay, and drag everything in. Right, and your NES games go right in here. Okay, now that the Venomous Fire Compatibility pack is on there, we're going to drag in Medanafenx, which I will now go to my Xbox 360. I put them in a folder called emus. Mine's already in here, though just for the sake of it, I can just overwrite it and transfer it. Just to talk about the next part that we're going to be doing, you should have a program called Xcx Menu, which again you can get from the Xbins file repository if you don't have it. Though if you're JTAGing a system, you should already know what this is and you should have it. If you have to load it that way, you'll just manually browse to this right here, default.xbe, which is inside of the Medanafenx folder, first thing in there, and it is right there. Okay, so now we're going to run QuickBoot. QuickBoot basically makes a shortcut that will make it appear in your InXE or your main dashboard game library along with the quick launch menu when you hit the Xbox guide button. So this is QuickBoot 2.1, which I'm going to load up right now. Alright, great. So the first thing you're going to do, this is your source target folder, which I just recommend keeping it as it is. This right here is basically the quick launch folder, though you don't have to do this. That's really advanced. Okay, click Add Entry. This is the shortcut it's going to be making. Put in some info. So I'll put in Medanafenx. It's an NES emulator. And for your directory, it used to be you had to put in a USB 1 or HDD 1 like this. And capitalization does matter. However, now you don't have to. It automatically searches all of them, so you can just type in straight in this. Bam. Okay, that's my directory where Medanafenx is located. And the last thing is the executable it's going to target, which is now default.xbe. Okay, and I'm going to tell it to build, and it has. I'm actually going to... You have the option for it to upload to your Xbox, which actually I think I'll just do right now. Makes it really easy. Okay, great, it's on there. And just for proof, we can go into Flash FXP and connect my box, and it should be located in the same folder. Though if you don't want to do that, you can manually drag it in there or copy it with XCX Menu via a thumbstick or whatever. It's basically all the way at the bottom. 909, 07, and there it is, Medanafenx. Okay, basically you're done. I'm going to transition to a video that shows it working on my 360. I hope you can get it to work, and if you can, awesome. So, good luck and enjoy.